Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start TEMU affiliate marketing or what is TEMU affiliate program. So now we need to access Google and search for TEMU affiliate. So just type in TEMU affiliate program and then make sure to select the official website of TEMU. So in here, you can sign up using your existing Google account in TEMU. So now that we open up their official website on TEMU affiliates, I'm going to explain to you that there are a lot of ways on how to earn commission here in TEMU affiliates. So as you can see here, it says here share affiliate link code to get 20% commission and 5 Australian dollar as a reward. So first, I'm going to explain to you what is TEMU affiliate program. So through this program, you can earn commissions on the first 10 purchases made by each new app user using your referral link or code within 30 days of the new app user acquiring new app user status and maintaining the new app user status in the period aforesaid. Or the first one purchase made by each new web user using your referral link or code after the new web user acquires new web user status. So a new app user means a TEMU user who downloads and registers with TEMU for the first time on the TEMU application. So remember, a new app user will be disqualified from the new app user status if he or she uninstalled the TEMU applications. So if you are wondering what is a new web user, it means a TEMU user who registered with TEMU for the first time on the TEMU website. So you can withdraw your commissions when you reach a minimum of 20 Australian dollars. In addition to TEMU program, you will also get a bonus of 5 Australian dollars for each new app users acquiring the new app user status by using your referral link or code. The bonus will be pending in your account after a new app users acquires the new app user status, which is not withdrawable until the same new app users make the first qualifying purchase on TEMU application. If any new app user fails to make a qualifying purchase on TEMU application, the bonus will be cancelled by TEMU. So if a qualifying purchase is cancelled, refunded, or returned, whether partially or in full, the commission on such purchase may be cancelled by TEMU, and in such an event will be forfeited by you and returned to or reclaimed by TEMU. So there are a lot of ways on how to share your link or code. You can share your link via any social media status that you have, like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp. And if you want to send your code via message, you can just copy the link and then send it to them. So there are a lot of ways on how to earn here. So remember that you can earn commissions on the first 10 purchases made by each new app user using your referral link within 30 days. So your commission is calculated based on the actual payment of the qualifying purchase. For example, $50 below, you will get 5% commissions. And for $50 to $100, you will get 10% commissions rate. And for $100 plus or more, you will get a 20% commission rate. So all the informations that you need, you can browse this program and then just read their terms and programs and rules in here, and then you will be informed in so many ways. So overall, just to summarize everything, first, you can earn your commissions for $500 download reward for every referral who download and orders in TEMU, and then you can earn commissions up to 20% commissions on order placed within 30 days. So you just have to do the inviting and everything with your friends. You can also post this in social media. So every time they want to download TEMU, they will just click the link, and then the commission will be into your account. So again, you can just withdraw the commission when you reach a minimum of $20. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and invite your friends to download TEMU and purchase from TEMU. So there you go, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.